In the heart of China, where mountains rise and rivers flow, there exists a structure so mind-boggling, so intricate, that it has left the world in awe. This is the Qianchun Interchange, the most complex highway system in China, an engineering marvel beyond imagination. Imagine driving into a labyrinth of roads, 5 layers high, 11 ramps twisting through the skyline, and 8 exits leading to different destinations. One wrong turn, and you might just find yourself on an unexpected adventure. But building this masterpiece was no easy feat. Guiyang's mountainous terrain posed a challenge. Tunnels had to be carved, bridges had to be erected, and roads had to be aligned perfectly to avoid chaos. And yet, after years of relentless effort, the Qianchun Interchange was completed, stretching an impressive 5,270 meters, guiding thousands of vehicles daily. Now, this once complicated region has transformed into a seamless connection between districts, boosting economic growth and making travel faster than ever before. But this isn't just a highway. It's a symbol of progress, a testament to human ambition. A reminder that no challenge is too great to overcome. So, what do you think? Would you dare drive on the Qianchun Interchange? Let us know in the comments, hit that like and subscribe for more incredible stories of engineering marvels.